The weekly code quiz. With regards to the box model, the last aspect we should discuss is positioning. What are the 5 values for the position property? Static, absolute, relative, fixed, or sticky. Which is the default positioning? Static positioning is when you position an element with any of the other 4 values, how can you further position the element? You can then use top, bottom, left, and right to further position the element. Top, bottom, left, and right will not affect an element that is positioned static. What position property is considered the normal flow of the page? Static. We will look at a series of images and a short screen recording to understand what is normal flow and what it looks like when an object is out of normal flow, and in the next few videos, clarify the different position values. In the first image, we see 5 circular elements in static positioning. Here's the code for section 1, the HTML, and the CSS. In the next image, we have added borders to block off each section. We have added a border to our CSS targeting the section elements. Now we add a second section of 5 circular elements representing the 5 positioning states: static, absolute, relative, fixed, and sticky. Immediately, we see an element that appears out of place. This is the code for section 2, the HTML, and the CSS. As we scroll down, we see that there are actually 2 elements that appear out of place that were overlapping. As we scroll further, we get to section 2, where we see the 3 other circular elements. Here is a screen recording of the action of scrolling and how the additional elements behave. We will explain this behavior in the next few videos so that you can further understand positioning. Presented by Designers Learn Code.